All right, here's 3, 4. Now, I've erased all the angles for you so we can just come in here and fill everything in. It's going to take a while here, but let's see what we have. Okay, first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to fill in a round. It gave me 140, so I know it's vertical right here is 140. That means this is 40. This is 40, because again, vertical angles. 100, so right beside it is 80. Its vertical is 100. And then across from that 80 is 80. Vertical has to be that of 80. Now, let's see what it tells me. Well, I'm going to go a little further before I even see what it tells me. I have a little triangle here I see. 80 and 40 is 120, 120 and 60. So he's 60, making him 60, him 120 beside him, linear pair, and then 120 there, vertical angle. So do I have anything else? Well, let's see what I know. It tells me a bunch of parallel, and it also tells me this. C and D are perpendicular, meaning they hit at 90 degrees. Here's C, here's D. So that's 90 and 90 and 90 and 90, right? But then it tells me D and E are parallel. So if this line and this line are parallel, here's a transversal hitting them. I can pick those up and slide them right down. So we got 90, 90, and 90, don't we? Okay, so that tells me some stuff. What else do we have? Well, trying to see if I see any triangles. I see one little here, but that's not going to do me any good. Let's look at what else we have. I'm going to go with H and I being parallel. I is this line right here. This is I. Can't see it. It's off the page. But if these are parallel, I can take all of these right here and slide them down right here to 100, 80, 100, and 80. And I can slide all these down to here, 60, 120, because again, transversal crosses the parallel line here and then down here. So we can just, it's going to be the same angles. So those cross, right? Okay, so that helps me. It's also going to help me over here with F and G and everybody crossing over in here. Let me move this guy out of my way. Let me move down to see if I have any other pieces. No, we don't. We're good there. Okay, so where am I going to go now? Well, it also, what else do we know? Who else do we have that's parallel? I need to move up. Little touch more. Okay. So we have A and B are parallel. So this line and this line, this is the key to the whole thing, I believe, are parallel. Well, if those guys are parallel, all these angles, here's a transversal. Crosses the one parallel line here, the other here. All these can slide up right into here of 40, 140, 40 right there, 140 right here. Now I'm going to take care of this corner because I see a triangle right here. 80, 40 is 120. That's going to make him 60 right in there for that big triangle. Now, I have 90 and 40. I got a little triangle right here. 90 and 40 is 130. 130 and 50 will make 180, making him 50, making this 130, because again, straight line, linear pair has to add up to 180, making him 130. Now, we have D and E are parallel there and there. So these can slide up and go right in here at 50, 130, 130, 50. All right. Okay. Also, A and B are parallel according to this. So these, that transversal slides over to here. So these slide right into that spot. And then we can slide these over here or slide these down. Either way, it's going to be the same. 130, 50, 130. Okay, so we have all those angles filled in up there. Now, if we come down, what can we do over here? Well, it says this line right here, got to show you the name of it. He was line who? He was line C, wasn't he? C and G are parallel. C and G are parallel. So this line and this line are parallel, meaning here's a transversal. I can pick these up and slide them right here, right? And G and F are parallel, so they can slide down here also. And then H and I are parallel, so you could slide these up the transversal to right here, or you could get it from these guys sliding down. So there's just so many ways to get it. And then again, these could slide up, or you can imagine these coming over here, because again, all lines there are parallel, vertical and sort of the horizontal slant. So we have 100, we have 80, we have 100, and we have 80. And there are all the angles.